Good morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are in the world, whatever time of day it is. Hope you're having a good one. Good morning from rainy Dallas today. It's extremely rainy. It's that long, draggy kind of rain where it's not just a thunderstorm, it's just this consistent downpour that just really ruins your day. But, you know, whatever. It's good for my foundation, I guess, for my house. But anyway, really excited to do this quick video. Despite the cold, I woke up to very good news this morning. I woke up to an image that, a picture that M&S had sent me, M&S America had sent me. So a couple weeks ago, I dropped my EV6 off, my wife's EV6, I apologize, to M&S's headquarters in Houston. They had showed a lot of interest in developing a lip/body kit. So if you're not familiar with M&S, I think I've covered them a little bit. I went to their grand opening event in Houston when they moved from New York to Houston, but they've been covering the KDM market for a long time, and I supported a lot of their parts when I had my Stinger, and I know there's a lot of people that actually still support a lot of the stuff they do in the Genesis community, the Veloster community, as well as Stingers, and now hopefully leading more into the EV6/EV world. As a quick bonus, M&S is also now entering the American muscle market, so stay tuned for those if you have a Mustang, a Camaro, some of the other American muscle cars. So anyway, I've been working with them. I dropped my car off a couple of weeks ago. I've been waiting very patiently to get some images of some of the stuff that they've been working on. I will unveil the first photo. I posted it on my Instagram this morning. They actually posted it on their Instagram this morning, and it is a picture of their lip kit for the Wind all-wheel drive, or just Wind in general, with this additional splitter on the bottom. I cannot wait to see this in person. The lip kit is going to be finished in this dry carbon fiber, and it looks phenomenal. Really excited to see it, and the good news is that my car, or my wife's car, will be at SEMA next week. So they're actually trailering it over there over the weekend. I will be attending. I won't be there the whole time because I do have a job. I will be in Las Vegas to attend the SEMA show, and honestly, really excited to see my car on the floor and do some other coverage for the channel. So if there's anything you specifically want to see at SEMA, please let me know. I will have some time to roam the floor, but I want to make sure that I cover stuff that, you know, viewers want to see, but also obviously my car as well. The M&S booth is going to be in the North Hall, and the booth number is 12251. I'll put it up on the screen. So North Hall, booth 12251. I'm not sure what else is around that area. Really excited to see my EV6 there. I will obviously post some videos as I see it for the first time. But what's being done is a full splitter kit, full lip kit, as well as a couple other Aero parts all over the EV6. As of right now, I don't really have a lot of details. I'm gonna let M&S kind of unveil those details as time comes, but I'm super excited about what they're doing. I will post once I make some progress, and really excited to kind of find this venture and hopefully make the EV6 aftermarket develop a little bit more. So stay tuned, subscribe. I will be posting a lot of footage next week from SEMA, as well as for my EV6. Again, if there's anything you want me to cover while I'm at SEMA, please leave a comment, message me, whatever. You can find me on Instagram, or you can find me obviously on YouTube right here. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Lots of cool stuff to come. Have a good one.